Okay, so up to standing with the feet hip distance apart. Lift the shoulders and roll them back and down. Inhale, lift. And exhale, back. And inhale, lift. And exhale, back. Taking the gaze over one shoulder, center, and the other side, and sense. Just taking the gaze to one side and the other. Being nice and gentle with the body. Then head back to center, ear toward the shoulder, center, other ear toward the shoulder, and center. So ear to one shoulder, and center, and the other shoulder, and center. Good, then allow your feet to come wider than hip distance apart, and allow your arms to wrap around the body. So we can either keep facing forward, or we can allow the body to twist a little bit and come up onto the ball of the foot or tip of the toe, the other foot as we twist. So as you twist to the right, maybe lifting the heel of the left. And as you twist to the left, maybe lifting the heel of the right. And just allow those arms to swing around the body. Being mindful of the air you can feel against your hands or your arms. And then beginning to slow the movement down. Until you come back to stationary. We're going to turn your palms facing up and draw the arms up the body. Reach the arms up over the head as though you're holding up the ceiling. Take the hands a little wider than your straight above your head, so shoulder height. And maybe take the gaze up. And then return the head to center. Turn your palms facing down and allow the hands to float back down the body. So the palms are facing up as you draw the hands up the center line of the body. Up over the head. Turn your palms to face the ceiling and allow that hands to part. So hands are roughly shoulder width. And the gaze may be taken up or keep forward, whichever you prefer. Allow the head to return and the hands lowering back down. Now let's connect that with the breath. So inhale as you rise the arms up. And exhale as you turn the hands, palms facing up. Breathe out. And then inhale, palms facing down as you lower the arms back down. Exhale, pause. Inhale, arms rising up. Exhale, twisting through the wrist, palms facing up. And palms facing down, slowly drawing the hands down the body, inhaling. And exhaling. Once more, inhale, rising up. Exhale, reach the palms away. Inhale, palms facing down, lowering the arms back down. And exhale, release. And then draw the hands up the body just as we did, palms facing up. Then reach the arms forward, float those arms forward. And then bend the knees as you release the arms back down. So you're painting a wall in front of you. Inhaling, bring the arms up the body. Reach the arms forward. Exhale as you lower the arms down. Inhaling. Reach and float those arms forward. Exhale, lowering back down. Bend the knees as you lower the arms. Inhale, straighten the knees, draw the hands up the body. Exhale as you reach forward, lower the arms back down. So floating at your own pace. Inhaling. And exhaling. Inhaling. And exhaling. And then just draw the legs toward one another. Turn both palms facing up as though you're holding maybe something just in front of you. And then reach the right arm out to the side, over the top of the head. So your hand is straight, your palms facing to the left and the back of the hand to the right. And then draw the hand down the center line of the body until it reaches on top of the other hand, turn it palm facing up. And then the other arm reaching out to the side, palm facing down as you reach the arm out to the side. Coming over the top of the head to the center line, and then draw the thumb down to the forehead, to the throat, to the heart, and releasing back down. So you're reaching the arm wide, right over the top of the head, and then drawing the hand down the body, the forehead, the throat, the heart, and release. And we can connect this with the breath again. So inhale as you take the arm wide, exhale as you lower the arm back down. Inhale as you take the arm wide, and exhale as you lower down. So taking a few of those at your own pace. Keep your jaw relaxed, your shoulders down and away from the ears. This helps to center the body and the mind. And let's make this our last one, inhaling and exhaling. Good, then take a moment to pause, just release the hands. Maybe give those wrists actually a shake out and the arms a shake out, why not? Shake the shoulders, shake one leg, shake the other. Maybe bounce if the back feels okay, if not just do as I am, shake one leg then the other. Give the arms a shake, maybe give that neck a little shake too. Good for releasing out any tension. And shake the arms forward to the side, up above, anywhere you want, behind. Maybe moving up and down. Just letting go, and a little jump around if you want, a little run around. Maybe not, you can make it smaller or larger as you want to. Maybe give it a little shake out, shaking faster and faster. And then slowly release. Maybe allow the eyes to close if balance allows, otherwise keep the eyes open. And tune in to any sensations in the body. Noticing any changes in the breath. Awareness to the hands. Noticing any sensations in the hands. And then gently opening the eyes.